Do you dread going to work? Do you feel tired and unhappy most of the time? You know, the road to happier and successful life starts with your attitude. In this video, we are going to see how we can change our life just by changing our attitude. Hello everyone, I am Afaq and you are watching Binge Read. So recently, I've read this book, Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller, and I found this book very informative, so I thought that why not I should share it with you guys. In this video, I am going to give you guys an overview as well as I am going to discuss some key points that I think are important and has been discussed in this book. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of attitude or the definition of attitude according to the author. Now attitude is basically a window or a filter through which we see our world. Okay, generally क्या होता है कि ये जो window है जिससे हम इस world को देखते हैं, ये विंडो जनरली डाउट्स, रिजेक्शंस एंड क्रिटिसिज्म से कवर्ड होती है एंड इस कवर्ड विंडो का हम लोग जनरली कुछ करते नहीं हैं एंड इवेंचुअली इससे होता ये है कि हम हमारा मोटिवेशन एंड एंथुजियाज्म खो देते हैं एंड इवेंचुअली हम फ्रस्ट्रेट होके गिव अप कर देते हैं। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आप लोग ये सोचोगे कि इट इज़ वेरी ईजी फॉर मी टू से ऑल दिस थिंग्स. And I'm pretty sure that you might have lots of problem in your life and maybe you are going through tough times in your life. But to be honest, neither the author is saying that it is easy. But the fact remains same in the end is that the choice is yours. Now there's a famous quote by William Shakespeare that has been mentioned in this book by the author and it goes like this: there is nothing either good or bad, but the thinking makes it so. Okay, let's say आपने आपकी विंडो क्लीन कर ली एंड आपने एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड डेवलप कर लिया. So will you be extremely successful just by doing that? I guess no. I'm pretty sure उसके लिए we have to do a lot of hard work and we have to do that hard work consistently. But you can't do that without having a positive attitude. Okay, now there are total 12 chapters in this book and I'm going to discuss a few of them with you guys. Starting with one of my favorite chapters, You are a human magnet. Okay, so इस chapter के starting में कुछ sentences लिखे हुए हैं जो मैं आप लोग के साथ share करना चाहता हूँ. The first sentence is, we become what we think and our thought determine our action. Let's understand those sentences. The first one is, आप जो सोचते हो आप वो बनते हो. But you can't expect positive results just by spending 10 seconds about thinking positive thoughts and in the remaining time dwelling on negative thoughts. Think of it in a way that थोड़ा बहुत करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Your dominant thought should be your positive thought. एक positive belief system starting point होता है कोई भी goal को achieve करने का. अगर आपका dominant thought ये है कि आप आपका गोल अचीव कर सकते हो, then you will take necessary actions to move in that direction. Okay, again there is a sentence that I want to share with you guys जो author ने इस chapter में mention किया है and it goes like this: your beliefs brought you where you are today in life and thinking from this point forward will take you where you will be in future. Whether आप आपके finances की बात करो या relationships की बात करो या career की बात करो, the facts remains the same. If your thoughts doesn't change, then your results won't change too. Now आपको aware रहना पड़ेगा कि आप आपको daily basis पे क्या बोलते हो. In another way, we have an inner voice जिसके साथ हम लोग daily basis पे बात करते हैं. Now again I want to share a sentence that author has mentioned in this book and it is basically related to that inner voice. So it goes like this: your mind hears every word you speak. And like a magnet, you will ultimately attract the events and circumstances that correspond to your dominant belief. So make sure to use positive words about yourself and your goals. And how you can do that? You can do that by reading positive literature. You can do that by watching positive or motivational movies and videos. Or you can also listen to a positive podcast. Okay, so let's move on to another chapter of this book and it goes like this: make a commitment and you'll move mountains. And इस chapter के starting में एक sentence लिखा है जो मैं आप लोग के लिए पढ़ना चाहता हूँ and it goes like this: the key to getting what you want is the willingness to do whatever it takes to accomplish your objective. Okay, जब आप कोई भी चीज़ को पाने के लिए एक कमिटमेंट करते हो तो आप वैसे लोग एंड वैसे सर्कमस्टांसेस को अट्रैक्ट करते हो जो आपको आपका गोल अचीव करने में मदद करते हैं। ओके, सो देयर इज़ अ वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन बाय द ऑथर दैट आई वांट टू रीड इट फॉर यू गाइस। सो इट गोज़ लाइक दिस: बिफोर यू गेट एक्साइटेड अबाउट waltzing easily towards your goals, I caution you. Even with the commitment, everything won't be rosy on your path. Life will test you to see how serious you are about achieving your objective. Obstacles will arise. You will make mistakes and suffer disappointments and setbacks, some of which may be quite severe and even tempt you to abandon your goals. That's when it becomes important to have this attitude of never giving up. Okay, so there are few more chapters that I want to discuss with you guys, and उसमें से सबसे पहला चैप्टर जो है वो ये है, turn your problems into opportunities. तो जब आप और हम कोई भी एक प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं तो हमारा इमीडिएट रिएक्शन क्या होता है? इफ़ वी आर लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, तो हमारा इमीडिएट इम्पल्स और रिएक्शन ये होगा कि we will start complaining about those problems. For example, we will say, why did this have to happen with me? What will I do now? All of my plans are ruined now. Now ये reactions जो हैं ये normal हैं, but what's important is that after you came to know about the problem that you have two options. You can either cry about that problem and dwell on the negative aspect of the problem, or you can find out the solution of that problem and you can learn a lesson from that problem. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपके लाइफ में आती है तो वो आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के ज़रूर जाती है. सो प्रॉब्लम्स गिव्स अस पर्सपेक्टिव. प्रॉब्लम्स एंड एडवर्सिटीज गिव्स अस द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर वट एवर द थिंग्स वी हैव. दे ब्रिंग्स आउट आवर हिडन पोटेंशियल. As we discover the abilities we never knew we possess. They forces us to make changes in our life and to take actions to improve various things in our life जिससे हमारा confidence and self-esteem build करते हैं. Believe it or not, your problems are there not to destroy you, just to serve you. Okay, now if you and I want to be successful in our life, then you and I must be willing to be uncomfortable. It is also necessary to realize our own potential. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो fear and challenge की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उसका मतलब वो fear या challenges नहीं है जो आपको physically injure कर सकते हैं. I'm talking about those challenges जो आपको आपके professional and personal growth में help कर सकते हैं. Now one of the most common fears and you can say challenges that we have in general life today is the public speaking, starting our own business, and the last and the most famous one is the fear of failure. Okay, so this is the end. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. I actually tried my best to give you guys an overview of this book. इस बुक में ऐसे बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स हैं जो आप पढ़ के उससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीख सकते हो. I haven't told you guys everything in this book because I want you guys to read it too, and it will definitely help you guys in one or another way. So I'm Afaq and you're watching Binge Read, and I'm signing off from this video, and I'll see you in the next. Peace out.